Is that what you're saying?
Paul, you refer to it as what, like a mothership?
The mothership is what we kind of call it, because those
Wow.
supercell thunderstorms just look like a UFO, but you can just see the structure of it, and people don't always believe us when we say the whole storm rotates. It's not just the tornado, if a tornado even touches down. Most thunderstorms will spin, especially those supercells.
Puts a grin on Paul's face, I tell you that.
It's just fascinating.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, this didn't look like it produced a tornado touchdown, but it's one of those storms certainly capable of it. Whew. Around here, well, we don't have anything like that to worry about. Just a little bit of fog out there. No showers, no thunderstorms, and very limited rain chances as we head through the week. Let's take a look at what's happening out there so far this morning. Checking some weather bug cameras, looking for some fog, but not really seeing any from the Webb School and Bell Buckle. Skies brightening as we approach sunrise, which is just 10 minutes away. Updating the image from the city of Clifton in Wayne County. Still some clouds lingering there. Also clouds lingering over the St. Henry School in West Nashville. This is going to be a common perspective for the morning. We have seen clearing skies right over downtown Nashville, so there's little holes in the clouds opening up, but then there's enough moisture trapped in the lowest levels of the atmosphere for these clouds to reform this morning. We should be able to shake those as we head into the afternoon, though. Partly cloudy skies in the forecast later on today, and that means warmer temperatures, but the humidity still isn't going to be bad. In fact, low enough that we don't have any showers or thunderstorms anywhere near us. Closest storms are either way off to our southeast in the Carolinas or way off to our northwest. That's the direction we're going to have to watch as we head into the weekend, though. More on that in just a second. First, let's check our temperatures and get you out the door. Upper 50s and low 60s for the most part, even 55 degrees in Gallatin. You're the cool spot. Warm spot is still 63 degrees in Columbia, and we are exactly in between in Nashville at 59, 1 degree above 60 in Murfreesboro. But pretty comfortable temperatures out there so far this morning. Again, the clouds reform for a little while, but then we start to break those clouds up as we head towards late morning and early afternoon. A few showers possible along the Cumberland Plateau as we head through the day. It looks like more activity on Futurecast here, but it just indicates where the best chance of an isolated thunderstorm will develop in the higher terrain of eastern Middle Tennessee. That quiets down this evening. We'll see mostly clear skies tonight, maybe some patchy dense fog again to start the day on Thursday, and a very similar weather pattern shaping up, but temperatures will be a little bit warmer into the upper half of the 80s for highs tomorrow. Same chance of a thunderstorm mainly for eastern Middle Tennessee. Futurecast has a hard time with this type of weather pattern, tries to produce those radar freckles everywhere, but it's mainly in the higher terrain of the Cumberland Plateau where we have the best afternoon storm chance with this type of weather pattern. The weather pattern gets a little tricky as we head into the weekend, though. Let's zoom out to the wider perspective because we're going to have to watch to our northwest with the jet stream taking on this northwest to southwest orientation. That's the storm track, so that drives the direction that things move across the country. We're going to have to watch for thunderstorms developing in the upper Midwest that then will move at least in our general direction. They may miss us off to the north. They may dive down straight down towards us, usually during the overnight hours and early morning, but a lot of questions surrounding this kind of weather pattern. Do the storms develop in the first place in the upper Midwest? Do they hold together as they move down in our general direction? Sometimes they just fizzle out. What path do they follow? Do they stay to our north? Do they move closer to us? We'll have to watch all of that, but so many questions surrounding this kind of weather pattern, it leaves us with rain chances that are lower than 50-50 as we head through the weekend. We'll keep an eye on all aspects of the forecast as we head through the weekend. We'll let you know if you need to make any adjustments. Today, no showers or thunderstorms expected except that slight chance along the plateau. Temperatures warm up to the low 80s as the skies clear out. Should be really nice for the Sounds game this evening. Temperatures in the upper 70s as the first pitch is thrown at 7:05 against Salt Lake City. Temperatures top out in the upper 80s. Tomorrow through the weekend, those storm chances look like they're going to peak Friday night and again Sunday night, but it's still, even the best rain chances are going to be less than 50-50. So we'll keep you posted.
All right, we know you will. Thank you very much. All right, and Miss Melanie's here. We're hoping